Alright, hello everyone. This is going to be my final project presentation. My application is a Counter-Strike Global Offensive, which is a video game. Um, what it does is it looks up statistics for them, so as long as someone has their profile public, it will retrieve them for you. This is including your own, which you can set using these settings. These are the in-game settings, so you can set like your default Steam ID. This is like to differentiate between you and someone else. You can turn notifications on or off. We'll go about notifications a bit more. So now we'll go to the main page. This is of course a placeholder. It would have some kind of logo here. And we click on the stats. And what this does is it allows you to enter in either the full profile link or like their custom URL. You can like name your own. I have a few examples here, like Blice 101. You could either enter this full thing or just the Blice. So why don't we test it out? Let's try it with good old Blice 101 here. I'm gonna wait for a second for it to get everything, and look, his name's the same. Where's it at? Picture's the same, and then this is his performance in last round. It's got all of that. What I wanted to do right here was to have a different image based on your favorite weapon. But there are so many in the game. There's actually 49. So yeah, I just kind of wasn't really that as feasible as other things. We'll test out if you don't enter in anything here. What it'll do is it'll bring up your default one, and this is mine right there. Bam, bam. Show you again. Tim, the picture of a nice old man there. There's a nice old man, Tim. So if you don't know, or if you wanted to search for somebody, right now I've just got it set up to where you click on that, it opens up a web view and brings you to their web page, and you can search and copy it to the clipboard, and then you just paste it right here. And then you can do a full. It also does the full thing, so it's like https://community.com/id. Of course, autocorrect. We'll do Trey B822. That is one. I've looked up these and kind of memorized them, unfortunately. And here you go. There's more stats. You can click on their overall stats to see, this is overall throughout the entire course of the game. And yeah, what I wanted to do with this is to have it be like a circle that was filled up depending on their ratio, but unfortunately didn't have time to really see that through along with all the requirements for everything. So we'll back out of this. Next, we'll look at VAC, which is their anti-cheat system. So if you're playing against someone and you're like, man, that guy is fishy, I want to see if he's banned or not, you can add them to a watch list. Originally what I wanted to do was have it read files, like, read like a text file. Oh no, it looks like I was copying and pasting something. I wanted to have it like read out a text file, like text, then some character, text, some character, and then add them to the list that way. I was having issues with permissions on iPhone, so I did have to, just right now, it's just kind of like a hard-coded list. If I was going to do it in the future anyway, it would be some sort of like a database thing like that. But you can add someone to it. So right now we'll add Flexen is the profile, or the link. It's the same thing as the other one. I just type in Flexen. Right now it does not have it doesn't refresh it. I was having issues with it refreshing currently, but if we leave, come back, Haruna, bam, bam. We'll even add this man. There it is. And then we'll go BOSKTBRS. And then we should see Bakker on there. B. Bam. He's not banned. Good. And yeah, that's pretty much my application. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of finals.